This is a short video to accompany the written review of the MID 7-inch tablet posted on hardwareinsights.com, and it's also a demonstration of the somewhat lousy video camera quality of the Acer A100 tablet. First off, here's the lovely yellow tablet. Very cheap on eBay. As you can see, it doesn't exactly have the most wonderful build quality, and the corner is lifted up, and I can't push that thing down no matter how hard I try. Anyway, let's turn it on with the retarded power button here. Alright. Oh, what the heck is a daddy tong? Well, anyway, there was a sticker about that on the back too, and taking it off left some slimy residue that I don't feel like taking off. Let's wait here. Android thingamabobby bouncing around and not doing much in particular. Yeah, as you can see, this is quite slow. Even my computer managed to boot up before this thing's done, which is somewhat ridiculous. Yeah, now we're floating down on some weird round spaceship thing. Oh well, whatever. Anyway. Yeah, and if you look at the reflection of the Acer tablet in the reflective front of the cheap tablet, you'll see that the covering isn't exactly flat, and the Acer tablet is distorted. That just shows how little effort is put into the manufacturing of the yellow tablet. Yeah, this is pretty ridiculous, how long this thing takes to start up. There we go. So now we're finally at the home screen. I've removed all the icons because they were quite cheesy looking and not very interesting in particular. So here's the apps. I've installed Opera Mini web browser because it's better, I guess, but it runs like total crap on this thing because it's only got an 800 MHz processor. There's the fake app market right there, if you could see that. Oh well, gee, I guess I forgot to turn on the internet. Anyway, here's a home button over here that is kind of useless given that you've also got one up here on the screen. But anyway, looks like they've created a custom launcher for Android. You can select some different, oops, not what I meant to do. Anyway, go back to the home screen here. If you look at the, oh, wonderful. If you look at the colors of the flower, you'll see that they're very pale and the resolution is very low. That's not because of the lousy camera in this tablet that I'm using to record this. It's because the screen actually is that bad. You can either set it to automatically rotate when you turn it, or you can use the rotation button. I haven't seen that on the other tablet, so I'm assuming it's part of their custom launcher. One kind of cool thing about this tablet that my other one can't do is this transfer box. Now, it's a stupid name for a stupid thing, but the transfer box gives you the capability to connect an Ethernet cable and USB devices to your tablet. It's got a very plasticky, cheap port here that I can imagine would break off if I even bump it the slightest bit. And it doesn't help, and it makes it fall out if you put in too heavy of a USB mouse adapter. Anyway, let's put that in. Sorry, I need both hands to do that. So here's a Microsoft wireless USB mouse. Let's put that in there. Alright, and hey look, a mouse. Mouse. That makes the screen a whole lot easier to use. Hello, I'm clicking. Okay, well, I guess it's not... What? Okay, I guess this thing isn't working very well, as you might have noticed. But we've also got Ethernet capability. Let's see if that works. I haven't actually tested it. Okay, we have, hey look, Ethernet. If I could click, that would help. Let's see here. Let's see if that works. Oh, hey look, it works. So, yeah, typing is a total nightmare. You have to press extremely hard, and it's really laggy, so anyway, pretty bad. Don't try making any long URLs with this, because you will get frustrated and you will spell something wrong. Google doesn't take that long to load, but you know, it's compared to a normal Android device that doesn't completely suck, it's pretty darn slow. Yeah, I don't really know what else to include in here, except for the fact that, oh here, let's see how bad this camera is. Camera. Oh, a new email, how exciting. Let's take out the transfer box, given we don't really need that right now. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, let's just do that and see if we can take up. No, you know what? Never mind. But as you can see, it's quite terrible and pretty much black and white, even though they don't say that. Here's a setting you can choose where it saves the picture. So yeah. Anyway, enough of that. Weird thing is, if you take a picture, there's actually no way to view that picture. Clicking on this does nothing, and finding an app to do it doesn't. Oh crap. And there doesn't seem to be any apps to use to view the pictures. I mean, they use file browser, but that's just ridiculous. Yeah, I didn't even try putting Angry Birds or anything on here because it's gonna be miserably slow. And from the real Android market, which is on here, the ancient version that does run on here doesn't have available most of the apps that I would want. It has Solitaire, so I put that on there. But even that's no fun with this terrible screen, because you've got to press extremely hard to get it to register your taps. As you can see, LCD screen actually gets pressed on when I try to press something. It's pretty lame. Anyway, and this home button is actually a back button, not a home button. So sometimes you can't get out of apps, in which case you have to probably shut down the entire tablet. So I guess that concludes the lovely video review of this lovely tablet. Very much sarcasm intended there. And if you want to check out the full written review, go to hardwareinsights.com and check it out. Alright, bye.